Hi everyone and welcome po sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you so much Fiesta to Go for sending me lots of foods. This is another food collaboration at i-direct ko sa inyo kasi kapag may mga events kayo like Fiesta o kaya may party kayo, pwede nyo i-contact si Fiesta to Go. Meron silang Facebook page and Instagram page na ipa-flash ko na lang dito sa screen. Okay? So for the start, i-unbox ko yung kanilang I think this is Pancit Malabon or Pancit Canton kasi they sent me 2 pancit. So, ang ganda for the packaging itself. Very simple lang. Yellow and green. That's why naka-yellow ako ngayon. Yes, minatch ko talaga siya dito sa Fiesta to Go. So, yeah, open ko na. Very sealed. Ang cute ng kanilang bilao. So, yes, ilalagay ko na lang yung mga details kung gusto niyo mag-order and if you're craving for pancits. They have different pancit and they also have what you call this, spaghetti, no? So, I think, ang nakalagay kasi dito, Fiesta to Go, tara, take home tayo. Sino ang nagsabing hindi pwede mag-fiesta sa opisina? Kahit saan pwede, di ba? Kahit saan, kahit kailan, pwede natin mag-fiesta. Huwag ka nang mahihiya. O, di ba? Chibog na. O, walang pinipiling oras ang pag-chibog. Yes, masarap para sa sarili, masarap din i-share. Ayan na, si Kuya, may bit-bit na fiesta. Thank you so much, Kuya Ryder, for sending me this food and of course, sa Fiesta to Go team. So, natanggal ko na yung tali. Ayan mo, ang ganda ng packaging niya. Fiesta to Go. Wait, tatanggalin ko. Para makita yun. Yan o. Love it. Okay, let's open it. Wala nyo, Pancit Malabon or Pancit Canton? Open ko na. So, pagka-open, ang bango. Nakasealed pa talaga siya with the plastic cover. And then, I will show you. Wow! Look at that! Ang sarap! This is actually their Pancit Canton. Yung nakuha ko. Ayan. So, may shrimps, may carrots, may vegetables, may calamansi pa na nakakat na. So, thank you so much. No? Rating is 10 out of 10. So, of course, Zoom version ko muna in picture taking. Sobrang gaganda at ang sasarap. Good for at least 5 to 6 person na. No? And of course, for sure, meron silang mas malalaking sizes of the bilao. So if you want to order Pancit Canton, alam niyo na. Diba? Just message at sobrang bilis nilang mag-reply, guys. Alam niyo ba, ang aga dumating ng mga foods. Ang usapan namin 12 tanghali, no? Pero dumating sila 11. Kasi ganun sila you know, very accommodating and approaching talaga yung kanilang nag-a-assist through online. So if I were you, order na kayo sa Fiesta to Go. Yeah.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I'm back! Next is yan o, naka-seal din. So, ano hula nyo? Spaghetti or Pancit Malabon? Wait lang. It's Pancit Malabon! Sarap, grabe! Sobrang maayos talaga yung presentation nyo. Sobrang 10 out of 10. Fiesta to Go. Tapos ang cute, oh. Nandiyan na naman si calamansi, may egg, may shrimps, tapos punong-puno siya ng toppings, ng, I think, chicharon na dinagtad. Ang sarap. Good for, talaga, hindi lang pang fiesta. Out everyday. Basta na-crave talaga kayo sa mga pancit. Masarap to for sure. So, tikman na natin. See you later. Ang bango niya. At sobrang mukhang masarap na masarap. Oh, tama-tama pang lunch. Tara na, let's eat!
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Time for me na tikman ng pork barbecue. Thank you so much, Fiesta to go. Ayan, so, ang dami. Bilangin ko kung ilang stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 sticks of barbecue. So, ganyan, no? For the sizes ng mga barbecues nila, yung kanilang pork barbecue, no? Very malaki yung size. Tapos, may konting taba siya na malaki sa ilalim. I love it. So, for the presentation itself, 10 out of 10 na kagad. So, tikman ko na. Oh. Lasang-lasa talaga yung pagka-pork niya. Malaki, very juicy. And yung sauce niya, no? Very, very saucy. Ayan. Tapos, malaman siya. Walang taba. No? Tapos, ang meron lang is yung gulo, which is very important para sa akin kasi hindi ako mahilig kumain ng taba. So, isa pa, try natin. No? Ayan. Sa akin, slightly na matigas yung pork nyo. Siguro kung mas lulutuin pa ng konti, mas gusto ko kasing slightly na malambot, no? So, hakim, hirapan lang akong tanggalin siya sa stick. Kaya napansin ko na medyo matigas siya. But, when it comes to the taste, sobrang-sobrang nalasa siya. Kaya it's a 10-10 for me pa rin. Recommended for those na may party and birthdays. Wag na wag nyo kakalimutan ang pork barbecue. Masarap siya. Next to try is yung sisig. Thank you, Fiesta to go. Very complete with calamansi. Ayan, so I'm really fond of sisig also. But yes, titikman ko, no? Napansin ko pa lang sa ibabaw, ayan siya. Puro taba siya. And, ayan, titikman ko. Okay? Wow. Apa? Puro taba, oily, and yung servings nito at least good for 2 person. Mas masarap siya kung lalagyan nyo siya ng kalamansi. and slightly sili para mas malasa siya, no? But for me, I will rate your sisig 8 out of 10. It's because hindi po ako masyadong fan ng sobrang daming taba, and also yung sauce, no? Para siyang dinakdakan yung kanyang sauce. Yun lang, konting, masyadong ma-oily lang para sa akin. But, yeah, regarding naman sa mga laman, titikman ko yung laman niya. Nahak-hak. Malasa naman, tama lang yung timpla ng sisig nyo. But yes, for those na mahilig po talaga sa pork, this pork sisig is perfectly fit para sa inyo. So, after the pork sisig, titikman ko naman tadan! Pancit Canton! Ayan. Ang ganda talaga ng presentation nyo, 10 out of 10 talaga. Tapos yung pancit nyo is really good for 5 to 6 person actually. At ang ano niya, no, very talagang yung paglalagay ng ingredients, yung toppings, inayos nyo talaga siya, dinecor nyo siya ng maayos. Kaya very good Team Fiesta to go. I love it. And yung slices ng mga shrimps, no, malalaki siya. You know, ang lalaki yan ang slices ng shrimps nyo. Kaya 10 out of 10. Malasang malasa yung shrimps nyo. Talagang steam well siya. Tapos, after the shrimp, meron siyang mga maliliit na, I think this is pork na nakalagay sa pancit nyo, sa toppings. Taba. No? Meron siyang taba. Para siyang pork teriyaki na nakapaloob sa pancit canton. And then, eto, tikman ko. Gulay. Okay naman. Tikman ko na. Kuha ko. Sorry, nasira ko na siya. Ayan, o. Yung tibla ng inyong pancit canton is, I love it. Sarap. Kakaiba. Parang may nalasahan akong milk. Kasi, habang sinisip-sip ko yung, yung noodles, no, parang may kakaibang secret ingredients na meron sa pasta nyo. Panugaw. Malasa. Sarap. Try ko yung with the toppings. Ayan, yung mga toppings niya. Ito. I love it. It's a 10 out of 10 for your pancit canton. Sarap niya. Parang may nalarasahan akong secret ingredients nyo na hindi ko maintindihan pero masarap siya. Yung bawat sip ko ng noodles, no, yung hibla niya, may lasa talaga siya. Nakakaibang sauce na parang milk. Yun nalalasahan ko. And yeah, I was surprised. And yeah, it's a 10 out of 10 for me. Pancit Canton. So, order yours now. Very sulit, masarap, malasa. Pang party talaga yung mga lasa, guys. Kaya, thank you so much, Fiesta to go. Ang sasarap po. Last but not the least, for the food tasting is yung kanilang pancit Malabon. Na parang pancit palabo. So, magkaiba yun, no? Alam nyo, medyo, no, para talaga siyang pancit palabo, pero pancit Malabon siya, guys. So, kakaiba siya. Lalagyan ko siya this time ng kalamansi. Yan, dito sa side lang. Kasi kukuha ko ng konting portion. And, titikman ko yung kanilang egg. Kasi natikman ko na yung, yung shrimps kanina sa pancit canton, no? At, ayaw magpakain. Sarap. Then, ito. Kuha ko ng konting pancit Malabon. Tasty! Tsaka hindi siya dry. No? Pati yung pancit canton nyo kanina, for me, hindi siya dry. Ito, may pagka-mouth-watering siya pag kinain mo yung noodles niya, no? Tapos, ang dami pa niyang toppings na kasama. Yung parang tinadtad na mga chicharon. Nag-a-add talaga siya ng lasa sa pancit. Plus yung chopped cilantro, I guess. This one, yung mga leaves na maliliit. Masarap. no? Meron lang din akong nakain ng mga fats dahil dun sa toppings na chicharon, but it's really okay pag binilend mo together with the sauce and yung ano niya, yung kanyang noodles, ang sarap. May pagka mouth-watering siya pag kinain mo yung kanilang pansit malabon. Sarap. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. Okay, last but not the least, yung kanilang calamansi juice. So, pinadalhan po nila ako ng 5 calamansi juice. Ayan. Ang cute na mga color. Matchy-matchy sa aking damit for today. So, ayan. Nakalagay, natural calamansi juice drink. This is actually 500 ml. So, okay na, di ba? So, sa mga, ano dyan, nag-crave, I love it. This is a must drink kasi super healthy calamansi. Right? So, yeah. Actually, so, ito, 1, 2, tapos, yan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and last is, yung nabawasan ko na kanina, 5. Ang sarap niya. So, bago nyo siya inumin, i-shake mo muna. Okay? Then, drink. Nakaka-relieve siya dito sa throat. Tapos, ang sarap-sarap niya kasi talagang lasang-lasa yung calamansi. So, I love it. Much better na ilagay nyo sa ref kasi masarap. Or pwede rin yung siyang initin kung gusto nyo. Pero, for sure, I will order this kind of drink kasi kailangan ng aking condition for today. No, nagkakaroon ako ng slightly sore throat, but I'm fine. Don't worry. So, yeah. For me, it's 10 out of 10 for your calamansi juice drink. Love it! Thank you so much for watching my Fiesta to Go food trip, no? Yung aking food tasting. Ang sasarap po lahat. And yun lang, 8 lang ang aking rate for the sisig. It's because yun nga, hindi kasi ako mahilig masyado sa mga matataba na puro taba. So yun lang. And also yung sauce, okay naman yung pagkaluto. Tama lang yung timpla ng inyong sisig. And yeah, I love it. Overall, yeah, nag-range lang naman ng 8 to 10. So wala akong 9. So, thank you so much, Fiesta to Go. Ang sasarap po. Perfect talaga siya kapag may handaan, pag may birthdays and everything, kahit walang okasyon, pwede kayong mag-chibuga na, diba? So, don't forget to order, no, and to try their menus, no. Just, ito yung kanilang Facebook page and kanilang Instagram page. Thank you so much, Fiesta to Go, and I will see you on my next vlog.